She has become a deaf mute. I am so mean. Let's laser you. It'll be good for YouTube. You've just lived with it for so long, you don't really realize how annoying it is. That's what happens when you get braces when you're old, guys. Honestly. Good morning, seekers. I'm glad you found us today. Brr, guys. Winter is setting in. I hate it, but it could be worse. It has been worse, and I can't complain too much. Sorry about the noise, though. Turn those off for a second. They're not doing any good. Anyway, I just wanted to say welcome. It is Wednesday. I keep trying not to vlog because we are so far behind, and I keep being even more behind because I've been so busy with other things. I'm having a hard time keeping up with the editing. I'm so sorry, guys. I wish we could afford to hire somebody, so that didn't happen. But you know, such is life. It's a one woman show around here in more ways than just one. So yeah. Anyway, it's freezing. Welcome to Wednesday. I'm glad you're here, and I hope you stick around and have a fun day with us. We'll catch you in a little while. Totally late because he totally slept in this morning. I had to wake him up. Whoopsie. Morning all. Whoa, okay. Everyone, come on out. Good morning. Let's go. Had a bumble. There we go. Shadow. Come on, Goldie. My lemon. Hey, Cheetah. Hello, Chic. Yeah, so it's 21 degrees. No wonder I'm freezing. Oh my gosh. My hands are like ice just from helping bring the chicken stuff out and letting them out this morning. And I'm just like, what? It is so cold. It's all right though. Like last year, I had a really hard time with the cold. And this year, it seems like I'm normal, like a normal human. Hello, that is awesome. Because, you know, last year, I don't think I could have been outside at 21 degrees. Without literally feeling like I was going to die. So, hey, progress. All right, guys? All right, well, I'm heading in. I thought it was gonna be chicken bucket workout day. I'm kind of glad it isn't. Looks like somebody else filled the chicken bucket, and I just can't this morning. My hands are burning just holding you guys out here in front of me. So, yeah, no, that's not happening. I'm gonna head in and, I don't know, get some stuff done before it's time to go to the orthodontist. Is this your favorite place to be, Min Min? Hmm? You gonna like me today? Hmm? You gonna like me today? Nope. Good morning, buddy.
How much days is Christmas gonna be?
How many more days till Christmas? You just reminded me of something I totally forgot. I never pulled out the advent calendar. Guess what? We have an advent calendar, and we're going to take turns eating chocolates out of it. And do you want to be number 1? Okay, so we'll do number 1 and number 2 today. That means you and Ruby. It's Christmas chocolate. It is what you call an advent calendar. It's a countdown to Christmas. And this one is dairy-free from Chalk Zero. It's also sugar-free. So we open it up. It's got a little magnet on the side, I think. And you just open it up. You got to find the square that says 1.
1.
There it is. Okay, pop it open. What is it? It's a present! Woot! A chocolate for you! What do you think? Is that pretty cool? The whole thing at once? Ooh, he's a monster. Whole thing at once. Good morning. Guess what? It's the 2nd day of December. That means it's your turn to open the door on the advent calendar. Our advent calendar that I got. So today you have to open it up and you have to look for number 2.
We have to eat.
Okay,
See it right
there it is. What you gonna get?
They're big.
Ooh, what is it? What is it? A snowman! Super cute!
See it in my hand.
Yep. So that means how many more days till Christmas? Well, till Christmas Eve. 22 more days. Woo-woo! It's gonna be fun. Ruby, I also have something else for you.
What is it? Oh. Is it what we ordered last night?
So show everybody what you got.
My kitty headphones.
Ruby finally finished her first homeschool chart and earned herself headphones. So fun. Oh, okay. I'm in the clear light. Virginia and I are going to pick up Phineas from school. We're heading to the orthodontist. She has become a deaf mute. Okay, just a mute. Remember when you used to vlog? You used to take the camera and you talk to it and stuff? You don't remember that? You used to do it all the time. You know that's how Coco met you, right? Sigh. Okay, well, we're heading to pick up Finn. Come on, let's go. look at this, guys. Look at this, what I just see. Look at that. Look at that mustache. There's a mustache right there, guys. It's official. Oh, he just wiped it off. Just kidding. I am so mean. Did you see the look on your friends' faces when I walked in with that mean face and like pointed at you?
No.
They didn't know who I was and they thought you were in big trouble. That was so funny. I don't know if I got a good recording of it because I was trying to act like I wasn't recording, but I was trying to record it. I was like, trying to be Matrix, you know? Isn't that how they do it on the Matrix?
Oh, I've never seen that movie.
Oh yeah, it's rated R. Best movie ever. Literally my favorite movie.
Alright, I don't think it was this movie.
Oh, she must have just figured we didn't see her, so. Yeah. Oh no, there she is! Right when we say it. Here she comes. Here she comes. Oh no, she's going back inside. Oh, well. Maybe she'll see that later because she watches our channel and she'll feel really dumb that she didn't come over here. Liz, we waited for you like for 10 minutes. Okay, maybe it was 5, but still. We gotta go. So, bye, Liz. Why? Because you can't do it? Well, if you're the ankle's that bad, you should tell your teacher you can't do it. Oh my gosh. It's not 21 degrees anymore, at least. gotta do me too, huh? I have no idea how hers is going.
It's coming. We've got this one poking through. This one is on the verge.
Oh man, all right. After all that time, finally
Yeah.
getting some teeth.
If you want to speed things up, I can uncover that with my laser if you want. Have I given you that option in the past?
No,
It's not bad.
it wouldn't hurt too bad.
I know you are. And it would put you,
She's like, I can wait.
it would speed you up like months faster.
Ooh, come on. Let's laser you. It'll be good for YouTube.
It's all about the video.
She doesn't care. That's why I said
It'd be
it.
great
She doesn't
YouTube
even talk on the
video.
videos anymore. I've been teasing her about it. I'm like, people think that she's like a deaf mute now because she doesn't say anything. She's only 12. She doesn't care if it takes forever, I guess. She's not in any hurry. Not like the rest of us. You're like, I would like to get it done faster.
You know, it's just not. Well, the patients who do it are very glad they've done it because it does speed them up quite a bit.
Well, I'm not going to make her.
I need her.
If she's willing, then she can do it, but...
Exactly. Some things we
Virginia.
will make you do, but that's not one of them.
But if it's still there next month,
Get out the laser.
get out the laser. Ronnie got hers lasered when she got her braces off because she had a gum that was like
Yeah.
down over and it
Yeah.
didn't match, so he lasered it.
Yeah.
And she said it wasn't that bad, but
No, it's not. Some people do it without even getting numbed up.
yeah. I think I could probably do that. I think I'm so used to, like, probably from grinding my teeth. My mouth is used to pain.
Yeah.
Just gotta get used to it. I don't know, she's pretty tough. Aren't you pretty tough? Well, she's just quiet, so we don't know if she's tough or not. You wait till you have to deal with Ruby. You think this is cake. Ruby's gonna be the most nightmarish thing that ever happened.
Is that right? How old is she?
7. When it comes to dental work, she does not do well. She won't even let them brush her teeth. It's so bad.
Oh, does she have to be sedated to get stuff done?
Well, we can't even sedate her because she won't take the medicine.
Oh, okay.
We've tried everything. I don't know what to do. I guess until she's in so much pain that she begs me to get it done. That's the only thing I can do. I know the dentist is going to be like, when I go back in, he's going to be not happy. He's probably going to have to pull her tooth with my luck.
Oh, yeah.
It's getting so bad. You went green? Were you green before? It's like you've got mint gum stuck on your teeth there. It's the kind I like. All right, we are done at the orthodontist. We are grabbing a snack. He grinded my teeth down to try and help me so I wouldn't grind them so much, but I still do. There you go. Get us laying out. Hello. Okay, what are we getting? Food. I'm getting a bang. Our car is dirty. I thought you're supposed to be able to see still. Got it. Freaking out, so I just put it in park and I'm like, it always makes me feel like I'm moving forward. Just something about a car wash, right? ASMR and all that. All right, well, we just got home from the orthodontist. And the whole way home, I was like, I just felt tears coming to my eyes because, well, the orthodontist basically I told him I was having trouble. I'm just like grinding my teeth constantly and I cannot stop. Like I've always clenched my jaw and I've always been a teeth grinder at night, but like I've never been able to not stop grinding my teeth 24/7. I'd broken the back of my retainer from how much I grind, and he asked me like where I normally like feel the most grinding, and I'm like, well, on the back right side. So he actually looked at it and had me like grind on some paper that showed him some like coloring, and he's like, it looked pretty even, but he just took off a few little spots like with a little zzz. I should have filmed it. I don't know why I didn't. I'm sorry guys, but anyway, he just zzz, you know, them off a little bit. And he's like, it probably isn't gonna help. He's like, probably you're just gonna be stuck grinding your teeth. There's not much you can do to stop it. And I'm like trying not to cry because I'm like, that's literally the most horrible news, because I thought maybe I would just eventually adjust and like stop. Anyway, the whole way home I just keep thinking, I'm not grinding my teeth. Why am I not grinding my teeth? And I'm like relaxing my mouth like that, and I don't feel like I have to grind my teeth. Why? Like then I realize it's because my back teeth aren't touching each other when I relax my mouth. Apparently all this time my back tooth has been just a little bit too high, and every time I would try and relax my jaw, it would hit that and it would just trigger me to freaking start grinding. The whole way home I kept thinking, my jaw is probably never been relaxed for like since I got braces on. Like this is the most relaxed my jaw has felt in literally years. I literally feel like the tension in my muscles back here is like relaxing and going away. Now, I'm still going to be a teeth grinder, I know, but I literally like, I cannot even believe. The thing is like, you know, when something is like, you just lived with it for so long, you don't really realize how annoying it is and how bad it is until it stops, and then it's like you've been hearing this sound in your ears forever and ever, and then all of a sudden it's like silence. That's exactly what it feels like. It's been bugging me and bugging me and bugging me to the point where I'm just so used to it bugging me that now that it's not bugging me, it's like deafeningly silent or relaxed, as the case may be. Oh, thank you so much, orthodontist. He didn't think it would help, but it's amazing the difference. Like, it's incredible. Anyway, just thought you guys might be interested, since you probably came here for the orthodontics part, since a lot of people tend to come and watch the orthodontist videos. And I don't know if you're kids or adults or teens or whatever, but guys, if you're having issues like with stuff, don't hesitate to mention it to your dentist or your orthodontist, because they might have some kind of handy dandy trick that might help. I wish I would have said something sooner. So yeah, learn from my mistakes, guys. All right, well, next on the docket, I'm gonna get inside, fix lunch, gonna go get eggs, I'm gonna go collect eggs in the backyard, make sure the kids get some of their schoolwork done, and we probably aren't gonna do a heck of a lot of schoolwork for the next month. December, we usually take it pretty chill. We do a few math lessons, some reading, and that's about it. We don't do our formal schooling again until January. That's the beauty of homeschool. Plus, I'm already 3 weeks ahead because we started early, so we're pretty much done anyways, which is nice. So I'm going to just see if I can get them doing a few things before it's time to leave for dance. And then later on, Jasper and Ruby have dance, and Rani's teaching them. You should stick around. Anyway, thanks guys. It's been a great and productive morning. Oh dear. Who we've got here? We've got Cinnamon. Is that Cinnamon? I can't tell. Sorry, I didn't mean to bother you. You can stay. Good, no one's in here. And some eggs. That one's fuzzy. Woohoo! That's so funny. 4 eggs. It's pretty much what I've been getting for the last 2 weeks now. It's 4 eggs a day if I'm lucky. So that's kind of a bummer. It's made it so that I can't give eggs away to my friends anymore. I'm barely keeping up with what my family uses, which is really too bad. But it is what it is. You guys gotta earn your keep. You gotta earn your keep. Who am I talking to? Al, you're a good layer. Pretty much Al's been laying every day, as well as Pepper. She has, I'm not sure on the other ones, but yeah. Hopefully that one will go back in there and lay that egg. I hate interrupting them because I feel like nowadays when I interrupt them, they don't ever get back to laying an egg, and then they don't lay it. And I really would like them to lay eggs. Bye guys. Alrighty guys, it is 3:30 in the afternoon. Got Ruby a bath, fixed lunch for them, and had lunch and took a 5-minute nap. And now we are headed to the dance studio. Oh, maybe. That's a matter of too many things in a seat. Get in. Hey, look what I bought, Jasper. Space mask.
For me?
If you want it. Okay, and Ruby, look, I got this one. I don't know if you want to try it or not, but...
It matches your eyes!
We're so excited. I secretly thought about putting them in. You know what? But I didn't. Alright, have fun at tumbling. See you when you get back. This one's falling asleep. We're gonna have to encourage him to wake up again. Okay, we'll do it. We'll do it. We'll do it. You go. Jasper. Oh, I hope so. I made my brunch last month. You gotta get ready. Go with Rani.
I need to go set up the computer. So.
Okay, let's find your ballet shoes. Are they still in the car? Do you have them in your backpack?
What up?
What up?
My leg.
You got your hat going on. You're good. That's right. Having his first ever taco from Del Taco.
Never had one.
Never had one. What do you think of it? You like it? Is it good? Yeah? What's so funny? Hey Seekers, I've gotten home now, and I just thought it was so funny that I'd never actually bought Jasper a taco from like a taco place before. I had no idea until I gave it to him. He was like, what is this? How do I eat it? How do I open this? I had to show him how to unwrap it and show him how to eat it from the side, and then the kid just like snarked those 2 tacos down in like less than 5 minutes. I've never seen anything like it. He loved them. So funny. We just have kind of not, especially this year with COVID and everything, we've just really stepped back. In January, we started our whole budgeting thing, and we really stepped back from fast food. And before that, I had already stopped going to a Del Taco at that point. So yeah, like he's never had a taco. Isn't that funny? Anyway, I thought you guys would think that that was cute because it was. I think it was cute. Anyway, yeah, it was a crazy day today. It was great at the orthodontist. I'm feeling a lot more relaxed in my jaw still. I've got a headache though, so I'm wondering if like now my teeth are lining up different. Like I'm biting down more in a different spot and it's giving me a headache. I don't know. Go figure with this whole teeth lining up thing. I thought that getting braces and getting my teeth all straight would like fix this problem, and it is really not fixed it. It's kind of made it worse, but hey, at least my teeth are straight. So there's that. They were able to straighten them, but they weren't able to line up my bite. It's still kind of crooked to the side and doesn't come forward enough. We tried everything that I was willing to do, and then I kind of just was like, nah. So it's kind of my fault anyways, because I wasn't really willing to let them pull teeth, and then the bands didn't really work. So that's what happens when you get braces when you're old, guys. Anyway, in case Jasper doesn't come to close the vlog later, I'm going to say goodnight to y'all, and so that we don't leave you hanging like we've been doing lately. It's crazy. I cannot keep up with the videos. I know I am like probably 40 billion miles behind, or we have skipped like, I know we skipped like half of November, probably skipped like half of December too. Since we don't have Nutcracker, what the heck are we going to film anyway? I don't know. Oh, Jasper, you had your very first Del Taco tonight, huh? What did you think?
We should get a new one, another one.
You should get another one. How did
Next day.
Did you like it? Was it the best thing you ever ate or the worst thing?
Best thing.
Best thing. You loved it?
Let's get a new one, another one next day.
Okay, maybe. We'll see. I don't know about that. Well, it's time for you to go to bed. So, probably say goodnight to the Seekers.
I'm coming! Hello. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And seek your truth. Bye, Seekers. Find us later. Bye.